Now that we've reviewed synthetic division, let's look at a couple applications. So the first is the remainder theorem, and it says if a polynomial is divided by x minus k, so focus on this k, then the remainder r is equal to f of k. So what that means is that the remainder is equal to whatever the function would be if you substituted k in and solved. So for number 3, use the remainder theorem to evaluate. Here's our function when x equals -2. So we know we could take -2, we could substitute it in and type that in our calculator, and that would give us the answer. So that's a good way to check your answer, okay? But because we want to use the remainder theorem, not substitution, so this is substitution. Okay, in this case, we want the remainder theorem, and that says if you use synthetic division, so x equals -2 with our synthetic division, whatever the remainder is your answer. So this is using the remainder theorem. So if we do that and we use our synthetic division, we drop our 3, multiply by -2 to get -6. 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 times -2 is -4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 times -2 is -2. -7 and -2 give us a remainder of -9. So that's our answer, whatever the remainder is. So what this means is that f evaluated at -2 using the remainder theorem is -9. Now, if you type this in your calculator, you should also get -9 as an answer, which is a great way to check, but your work needs to show the synthetic division with the remainder theorem.